Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. For today's project, I'm dusting off an old favorite, which is a Tri-fold Folio. I created this using a tutorial by my sister Scrapper. The paper collection that I used is Cozy Lodge, and I think it is perfect for this project. You will find a link to the tutorial in the description box below. Album measures 7 by 9, and although it's a trifold folio, it really packs a powerful punch, and you can include a number of photos. On the cover, I have this wooden deer that is covered with red and black plaid canvas. The floral sprays I've purchased from Michael's. These flowers are by Recollections and Prima, and then I also included these cute little gold bells. The sentiment on the front says, "Happy Holidays." On the side, for the closure, I use this really fun black and white striped ribbon. I thought it was a perfect complement to the paper collection. This is the side, and I just used coordinating paper from the collection. And on the back, I thought I'd add a little interest by using cut-aparts from the paper collection. It says Believe, and I include this cute little photo mat. You can either include a photo or the date and time and some journaling about the contents of the album. On the inside here, this first flap includes a little folder. I love this little red house. This is a little tag, and I embellished it with a star and this cute little flower and flat back pearl. Inside, I used my Cricut to create some really fun photo mats. This says, "Have a little Merry Christmas," and just plain for photo mats and or journaling, and then another photo on the back. And I used some red and white baker's twine just to add a little pizzazz to the photo mat. On this inside panel, I again used my Cricut to create this cute little photo tag. I saved the circle piece so that you can use it to trace out the photo, and then when you're ready, all you have to do is insert it under the little top cover here to include your photo. Here on the bottom it says "Let It Snow," and I included some fun red rhinestones. At the top is a little embellishment that says "Merry Christmas," and then I used some more fun ribbon. This is a canvas with red glitter snowflakes. On this page, I've included a cute little pocket. At the bottom, it says "Peace on Earth," and it's got a cute little poinsettia. Inside, again, I wanted to create some really fun shapes with the photo mats. Here is an element from the ephemera pack that coordinates with the Cozy Lodge. It says "Joy to the World," and it's got this cute little red plaid deer. And inside, again, you can use it for photo mats. I included this additional photo mat here for journaling, and this is really pretty. It says "Merry Christmas," but you could also include a photo on it as well. At the top, you have a large tag. I included more of the black and white ribbon and the red and white baker's twine. Here's a cute little area here for a photo. Again, this little bird and the holly comes from the ephemera pack. And then on the back, you have space for 2 more photos. On this side here, you've got a little area from the paper collection. It says "Join in the Reindeer Games. You'll go down in history." I used this top space here for a small little photo mat and embellished it with a bow and some more holly. On this pocket here holds more tags. This is a piece from the paper collection, again for more journaling and or photos. Here's another photo mat. This time I included a cute little Christmas tree and the black and white plaid. And again, you can include another photo here if you like. Here's another space for another large tag. I just really love this paper collection. It is so much fun, and it's got a lot of this glitter detail throughout. Here it says "Merry Christmas." On the back here, I just created a little scene with the Christmas tree and the little cardinal, and it says it's tradition. And again, all of these elements came from the ephemera pack. On this back page here, I've included a number of pockets, and I've just stuffed it with tags and smaller photo mats for journaling. I've only included 2 tags per pocket, but you certainly can include more. On this page, I created another photo mat. Again, I cut this out on my Cricut. Here you can use it for another photo, or leave the page as is and just include the photos on the inside here. On the bottom, I included this cute little Christmas tree and a little area for journaling. On this side here, I left a space for a very large photo, and I cut out this little deer on my Cricut and layered it up. There are about 3 or 4 layers here on this deer. When I said I made some modifications to this tri-fold folio, this is the additional page that I added in. And I wanted the spread to open out so that each of these pages mirrored one another. And in the center here, I have included a waterfall with coordinating paper from the collection.
This concludes my review of my folio. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this project, please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to join us for our final day in the series. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.